Hi friends, this is Ranish Malhan from Compose. Today we are going to discuss about how we can apply or we can paint an image on the wall. Like here you can see we have a wall, and on this wall I want to paint one of these images. So let's see how we can do this. Like I want to paint this image here. So firstly I will click and drag this image here. Now we have the layer here in this document. So we are going to apply this image on this wall. So firstly we have to look here. The view is in perspective for this wall, so we have to transform the image. So press the Ctrl T to turn on the transformation controls. Great. I am going to lower the opacity like this so that I can view the previous image. So right now right click on the image. Here you can see the transformation options. Firstly I want to select the distort. Now match the perspective like this, and here, and like this. Great. Now we have the perspective, a proper perspective. So commit the changes like this. Now we have the image transformed correctly. At this time I am going to create a mask for this wall so that we can apply this image on the whole wall properly. So for that I'm going to use the polygonal lasso tool. So for this, now we have to zoom in to match it correctly. Try to match it as accurately as you can. Like this. Now we have a good selection. We can zoom out. You can see the selection is very good. Now I can go to the background layer at this time with the selection tool selected. With the selection tool selected, I'm going to right click here, and here we can see layer via copy. I have a copied layer. You can see that. Now we have already transformed the image which we want to apply previously, which is this one. Here I am going to use the clipping mask. For that, hold the Alt key and with the left mouse button click between both layers. The first one have the image which we want to apply on the wall, and the second one have the wall on which we want to apply the image. Left click here. You can see our clipping mask is created, but the image is not applied properly. We are not getting a realistic result with this. So for that, double click here. This is the layer style window. Here you can see the underlying layer. So this cursor is going to blend the image with the wall if there is a dark area. Like if I drag it, you can see it is vanishing the image from the darker areas. And if I drag it to the left like this, then it will vanish the brighter areas like this. So what we want right now, we want to soften this effect. For that, hold the Alt key and now click here like this and drag it to the left. And same with this controller, hold the Alt key and drag it to the right. Now it will blend softly like this. Now you can see we are having the proper result right now, and the effect is very good. We can say we are having a natural painting over the wall. In the next video we will discuss how we can animate this texture on the wall. Like we will try to change the texture after some interval of time, like a GIF. So stay tuned. If you like our channel and this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified on time. Thanks for watching.